Q8 5G intercom pairing tutorial. Press and hold the EJEAS button of unit for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the EJEAS button on unit 2 for 5 seconds until done. Red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click Bluetooth connection on mobile phone. Now a 2 to find Q8 and click pairing. Press and hold the EJEAS button of unit 1 for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press and hold the EJEAS button on unit 1 for 5 seconds until done. Red and blue lights flash alternately to enter pairing mode. Click Bluetooth connection on mobile phone. Now 1 to find Q8 and click pairing. Simultaneously click the motorcycle button between mobile phones Node 1 and Node 2. Click Create Group Chat on mobile phone Node 1 or 2. Enter your group name and click Confirm. After confirmation, click Join Group on mobile phone Node 2. You can join the group by entering the group number or scanning the QR code. After joining successfully, click Group Voice Chat to achieve 5G intercom.
EJEAS Mesh Intercom Experts.